Whenever the pressure switch here fails, you'll need to take it off and then put a new one on. And in the older systems, I have a conversion adapter that converts the thread size to this 12.0 millimeter thread size. And the thread size on this pressure switch is a 10.0 metric. So I've got a converter here that just screws on both of them. But now I use a new converter instead of that one because that one is so hard to get off, and I always glue it in order to prevent leaks. But now with the new converter that I have, I don't have to glue it. I might add some Teflon tape maybe if it leaks, and it's much easier to get off. So I'm going to show you how to take this off. First of all, you disconnect the two wires here connecting it, and then you'll get a crescent wrench and put it on here and then unscrew it as best you can. It'll be very hard to get off, so you're going to have to apply some pressure to get it off. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I have a new pressure switch and a converter here, and I'm going to wrap a couple of turns of Teflon tape around this before I put the adapter on. So now I've put a couple of turns of Teflon tape. I'm not adding Teflon tape to the end of this converter though, because when you go to screw it in, it'll screw all the way up and butt up against this, and I'm hoping that's enough to prevent any gas leak or water leak. So I've got the converter screwed on. Now I'm going to screw on the pressure switch. And when you screw it on, you want to make sure that the two tabs here are up so you can access to the screws here on the side. So you need these two on the up side. So now I've got this screwed in tight, and so I'm going to add the wires to connect the pressure switch to the system. Now the pressure switch is replaced and connected.